Okay, this is the Egg Lab Part 2. We've already found the density of the egg. We're now on Step 5, mass out 10 grams of salt. Add the salt to the beaker. Inside of this beaker there are 500 milliliters of water. That is 10 grams of salt. We're going to stir until all of the salt is dissolved. We're going to put the egg inside of the beaker. It says to record your observations. If you look at the data table, we just want to circle if the egg is floating, yes or no. The egg is right here. We now want to find the density of that saltwater solution by using a 40 ml sample. So it's already filled into your data table that we're using a 40 milliliter sample. So for density, we also need to find, that's too much, we also need to find the mass. So that is the mass of a 40 ml sample. From that, you can now calculate the density of the first saltwater solution with 10 grams of salt. We're now going to add 10 more grams of salt, so we're now on the second page of the lab with a chart that says a total of 20 grams of salt. So I'm going to add 10 more grams of salt to the beaker, stir it until it dissolves. I'm going to put the egg in this beaker, and again you're going to record your observations in the data table, just whether it floats, yes or no. So you can see the egg is on the bottom of the beaker still. I'm going to remove the egg. We're going to do the calculations for density.